That's a name we're all familiar with. Welcome everybody to the all-new Nokia 2.3, an Android-powered device. And let's face it, when you think mobile phones these days, there are many players out there, many people competing in the space, all trying to have a piece of the action. But when I think the original form of connecting people, revolutionizing the mobile world, it's these guys that spring to mind. Nokia were always a fantastic brand. And so without further ado, I'm excited to bring you a look at the Nokia 2.3. When you unbox the phone, inside the box, it's a pretty typical experience. You get this wall power brick, you get a micro USB sync charge cable, you get your typical SIM pin ejection tool, you get a pair of black in-ear headphones, as well as, of course, your Nokia instructional manuals. What you also get, which is quite nice with the whole experience, is you get a molded plastic case to protect the device. But throwing all that aside, let's get into taking a look around the body, power on the device, and see what it's like to use. So, this is actually what it's like taking a look at the device. Android One is a very stock experience, and I really like it. Not too much to distract you in terms of overlays, but you've got your dedicated button here, which you can use for Google Voice Assistant. Major folder here to jump into all your Google tools. Of course, it's got over on the back here your camera, which you can jump into, portrait for instance. It'll shoot full HD video, as well as some impressively clear and decent photos. I find that it offers impressive performance, particularly for its affordable price point. Of course, sliding down is a very stock Android notification shade, and you can jump into all your major features this way, including getting into the settings menu. And that will show you the system, the operating system we're running here. Overall, taking a look at the body of the device, it's very neat, very simplistic. You get your volume rocker, power key on the one side of the device. This very slick looking, neat color. I like the bluey green tinge as well as the texture of the plastic construction. You get your dual camera lens and flash over at the back, and at the bottom you get a micro SD sync charge port, single firing speaker and the microphone, dedicated Google Assistant button. Other than that, not much else, but very nice looking and impressive clear display here. The display measures 6.2 inches. It's a full HD display. The device also has a built-in 4000 mAh battery, which they say will give you up to 2 days battery life, 2 gigs of RAM, as well as 32 gigs of internal storage. You can use Face Unlock here, and with its dual camera layout over at the back here, you're getting a 13 megapixel shooter as well as a 2 megapixel shooter and a 5 megapixel teardrop style notch for the front facing camera. Overall, the Nokia 2.3 is a neat looking device which is Android 10 ready, comes with Android 9 out of the box, and thanks to Android One experience, rather neat to use. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, this has been a quick look at the Nokia 2.3. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.